And when tracking your spending starts feeling overwhelming, the Emma Budget Tracker app steps in as a smart solution. But whether it actually helps you take control of your finances depends on how well its features connect with your daily money habits. At its core, Emma is designed to act like a financial assistant, helping users track expenses, avoid unnecessary subscriptions, and build better money habits. And that naturally makes it appealing for anyone trying to stay organized financially. Starting with features, Emma allows you to link multiple bank accounts and cards, giving you a complete overview of your finances in one place. It automatically categorizes your spending, which means you can quickly see where your money is going, and that connects directly to smarter decision-making. It also highlights subscriptions and recurring payments, helping you identify services you might want to cancel, and that's something many users find extremely useful. Now, when it comes to usability, Emma stands out with its modern and visually appealing interface. The app uses graphs, colors, and simple layouts to make financial data easy to understand, and that smooth design makes budgeting feel less stressful and more engaging at the same time. Talking about performance, the app is generally fast and responsive, with real-time updates when transactions come in. However, depending on your bank integration, there may be occasional syncing delays, and that can slightly affect accuracy in the short term, although it usually resolves quickly. When it comes to pricing, Emma offers a free version with basic features like account tracking and spending insights. But if you want more advanced tools, such as detailed analytics, custom categories, and premium budgeting features, you'll need to upgrade to Emma Pro, which comes with a monthly or yearly subscription. Looking at pros and cons, the biggest advantage is clearly its clean design and powerful tracking features, which make managing money easier. It's especially helpful for identifying wasteful spending. On the downside, some advanced features are locked behind a paywall, and bank connectivity may not always be perfect. So when you bring everything together, Emma is a strong choice for anyone looking to improve their financial awareness and build better habits. But if you're expecting a completely free all-in-one solution, you might find the premium limitations a bit restrictive, and that balance is what ultimately defines whether this app fits your budgeting style. And that's it! So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.